Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're looking at the tool deals after the holiday tool deals. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. Yeah, we're actually going to two different stores, so we're going to be comparing prices, looking at the clearance section, Cobalt, Craftsman, and DeWalt. So we're going to be looking at all those and other brands too. As we can see here, this store, I never been to the store before. They have a clearance section right near the entrance to the right, near the garden section. So I guess that's where they have it. You got some extensions and some Universal, $29.98. Yeah, some of these haven't been marked down. I was actually looking at my application and the app on the phone. And some of these prices weren't marked down. Like this one, it is $5.98 for the screwdriver and the blades. Yeah, some of them were marked down, but they were just on the process of doing so. I believe some of these were $16. I don't know if these were the $16 ones. So anytime you're going to a Lowe's and looking at these discounts and all these items, make sure you download the app and look at the price. Because sometimes they don't have them marked down. And sometimes you can get a better deal, like a smoking deal, and nobody knows about it. So $9.98 for the Linux screwdriver. It's a nice little screwdriver there with some bits. And yeah, like I said, it's in the garden section. And right there, we're walking to the garden section, the lawnmowers. That's the 40 volt max from Cobalt, $379. Yeah, I just want to went up here see if I can see anything on clearance. Usually they run last year's on clearance, like that one, $64.50. That is a smoking deal for the 40 volt string trimmer. So if you need a string trimmer, don't miss out on it. It's not gonna be there for long. I know the quantities haven't gone down because I'm monitoring it on Brickseek. I don't know if you guys used Brickseek before, but it tells you pretty much all the discounts for all the stores, and the percentage, how much percentage you get off. But yeah, that's a really good deal. So you got some containers right there. As you can see, they are on clearance and on sale. I'm trying to go fast on this video because we got two different stores to cover. And I just want to, that's $99 for drill driver, impact driver, 2 batteries. All right, you got the Cobalt section there. $5.98. Yeah, if you guys wanna, you guys can rewind this, watch it slower, or you can pause the video to look at an item. Like I said, I'm trying to go a little bit faster because we got a lot to cover here. We got some blades there. I believe they're almost $9. There's another type of blades that you could get. They're $9 a piece, and there's two of the pack. Oh, right there. Oh no, not right there. It's in the other section. But yeah, there's two different like the fastback knives with some extra blades for $9. And that is a sawhorse. Got some more tool kits there. $4.98. Yeah, I was looking at this one. It's just pretty nice. You got a lot of bits in here for $5. So 33 piece for $4.98. And then you got the like the fastback box color utility knife. And then you got another little set there. That's $19.98. Yeah, I'm just waiting on these drop on price so I can pick one up. And I did pick that up. There's $12.48 is a smoking deal. You got a lot of pieces in this little case. You got a 230 piece. I actually got this because there's some security bits. The star with the circle in the middle with the, as you guys can see right there. And I was gonna go to Harbor Freight and buy a security bit set, and it was gonna be like almost $8. So for $12.48, I get a whole bunch of bits. And like I said, some of these are on sale already. Some of these already have the price. Like the clearance price, $7.98 is the clearance price. And some of them don't even have the clearance price. They have the old price. So like I said, you just got to watch out. Look at every price. especially on the clearance section like this, like after the holiday. They, they're trying to push all this out because they're gonna bring some more stuff in, some newer 2020 stuff. So they want to get the 2019 out of the way there. That's a nice bit set there with some drill bits. And it doesn't have the price as you guys see there. Just in the process of reducing the price. I checked the price on that. It's not $29.98. It's $19.98. That's not a bad deal. It's an all-inclusive little case there, including some spade bits, some drill bits, all kinds of stuff. Hammer for $6.98. Got some pliers there. It's a nice little set for $24.98. That's probably not $24.98. So just $149 for that deal. It is a big Craftsman set there. You got some chargers, car chargers, iPhone and Android. And you gotta watch out because some of these are actually on sale. They're on clearance too because they are the holiday promotional items. That's $99. You got the buy one get one free from Craftsman. You basically buy the batteries, or you can get the impact driver, drill driver, and reciprocation saw, and you get one of those tools for free, or you can get those batteries. I believe, yeah, you can get those batteries too, and get those tools for free. It says buy one get one free, yeah. And there's the batteries right there. They actually don't have any on this side, but later on we'll see them. That's a nice toolbox. Every time I come to Lowe's, I want to get one of those boxes. One day, up to $150 off on select tools, toolkits. So yeah, you got some good deals here. It's an all-inclusive little box. That's $2.99. That's a lot of tools for $2.99. $2.49. So you got different choices. Like I said, you just gotta watch out. Look at the yellow tags. If you have a question, either you can look at the app or you can go out to brickseek.com. And if you guys want me to show you how to look up items like that and get good deals, let me know and I can make a video. Brickseek, it's like a pretty much for all the stores. Those are the batteries that are on sale. I guess you buy those batteries and the charger and you get a tool for free. They're on the process of moving everything, so they're not gonna have everything moved yet. So you got the buy one get one free from Cobalt. You got some good nice tool sets there. $199 for a brushless impact driver and drill driver, and then $249 for that killer. That's a smoking deal. You get a lot more stuff with that $249 deal. Plus you get that for tool for free. And then you got your choice here for $99. I gotta say, not a killer deal here, but the drill driver is well worth it. And that impact driver is $89 for a brushless tool DeWalt. So it's not the newest, but it's the oldest. It's the oldest, one of the older brushless tools, so it's not that old. And that is a great tool. Definitely recommend it for that price. I mean, I was just tempted to get that. It's a smoking deal on that one. $14.98. And I noticed that not all Lowe's have the same price. Some of those impact drivers are $99. Some of them don't even have them at all. So you gotta go around all your Lowe's. I was looking for a deal from the Tabo deal. They have a $99 impact driver, drill driver, brushless with one battery and one charger for $99. And I was looking for that deal, but I guess they didn't have any left. So I missed out on that, I guess. And I did look at it on BrickSeek. And also, you look at all those boxes at the bottom. Make sure you look at the yellow tags and other clearance items. Sometimes they have those hidden items on the bottom. That is the second store we're going to be visiting. And we're going to be comparing some prices. Those are the fastbacks that I was telling you. They're $9.98 here. And for two, and plus you get the replacements, a whole bunch of blades for under $10. That is a smoking deal on that. Because on the other store, we just had them for $8 and it was just one. So it was a newer one, however. It was a newer one, the newer version, but still, you know, you get 2 here. Plus, you get a whole bunch of blades. $4.98 for that. Not a bad deal there for a starter kit. If you don't have any bits, there you go. $5 will get you. Got some $24.98 deals here. Those are the titaniums, so those are the metal ones. I think they're the titaniums, yeah. And that is the same kit that we saw in the other store for $12.48. That's not a bad deal. It's actually lower than the other store. You got some blades, $7.98 for that. It was $27.98, and I ended up getting it. I couldn't resist it. You got some titanium bits there, and plus you got some nut drivers there. And then you got some more bits on the left there, and you got a nice little tray so you can put everything in there. But yeah, $7.98, not a bad deal. That's a smoking deal there. $12.48. There wasn't any left, but if you see them at your store, make sure you stop there and get them because those are nice big screwdriver sets. $7.98 for those. And I was just comparing them to the ones that I was gonna get. And I just, you know, from my needs, that's the one that I chose because they're all basically the same price, $7.98. You got some scissors there. You got some more Craftsman blades, $29.19, and you got the screwdrivers for $32.98, $89.98. It's a nice 83 piece. Flashlight, $29.97. And that is really cheap. That is a good little pencil type of thing. $3.98 on the 4-box smoking deal on that. $29.98. $29.98. So it's the same. The same, but on the other side, basically. It's a nice kit there for $89.98. Yeah, but you just gotta wait for the clearance. They'll lower. Those are the ones that I was telling you guys. $16.98 for a pack of 2 Craftsmans. Not a bad deal. $24.98 for that. That is like a ratcheting type of. It's a battery operated. All right, yeah. And I was deciding to either go for that or not, or go for the one that's a single. That, like I said, that's a newer version of the other ones. But you know what, guys? For the value you're gonna get a whole bunch of blades, and plus you're gonna get 2 box cutters, utility knives. Definitely. Oh, and that one's $9 at the other. It's $14.98 here. That one's $19. All those are $19. But the hammer kit was $9. And then you got the $14.98, $29, $19.98. Yeah, all these are gonna go on clearance. If nobody buys them, they're gonna be like super cheap. And you got some blades there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.